Hello, and welcome to Mount Hope Cemetery in Dahlonega, Georgia. We are students in the Appalachian Studies Center at the University of North Georgia. This video is part of our 2019 Appalachian Teaching Project. Our community partner is the Dahlonega Cemetery Committee, who advises the Dahlonega City Council on matters of public cemetery preservation, maintenance, and protection. Our goal is to assist the Cemetery Committee with their restoration efforts and educating the public in matters of cemetery preservation. Today, we are in Mount Hope Cemetery, where we will be explaining the recommended techniques for cleaning headstones and monuments. The first known burial in Mount Hope Cemetery was in 1833, the same year which the town of Dahlonega was established. Dahlonega is derived from the Cherokee word for yellow money or gold and attests to the town's gold mining history, which began with the Georgia Gold Rush of 1829. We have chosen the headstones of the Bedford family, located in the old section of the cemetery, because of the similar weathering of the headstones and simple design. The Bedfords were some of Dahlonega's early settlers and all passed away prior to 1860. Items required and suggested: 5-gallon bucket, water containers, spray bottles or pump sprayers work great on detailed areas. Note, most cemeteries lack available water, so you'll probably need to bring your own. Plastic or wood scrapers. Assorted soft bristle brushes. Note, use only brushes which you would use to clean your car. If the bristles feel rough against your face, they are too hard. Safety glasses, latex gloves, knee pads or gardener's knee board, Orvis, D2, and a camera to record results. Step 1. Do no harm. Take a before cleaning photo. Step 2. Assessment of headstone or monument and the area around it. Check the stability of the item to be cleaned. If it is unstable, could fall and injure someone or become damaged, use common sense. Either find a way to brace the stone or do not attempt. Also look for any environmental hazards such as poison ivy, poison oak, fire ants and mounds, etc. Step 3. Pre-cleaning. Try to always wet the entire surface first. Remove all surface debris and growth such as moss or lichen on the exterior. Safety note: never use metal scrapers or a wire brush on the stone. Plastic or wooden scrapers or sticks are recommended for removing unwanted biological growth. Based on the experience and recommendations of professional cemeterians and conservators, the only 2 cleaning products we use and recommend are Orvis and D2. Orvis Paste Shampoo is a pH natural synthetic soap and wetting agent with excellent detergency, emulsifying, and dispersing properties. Extremely gentle and effective, Orvis WA Paste Shampoo is a biodegradable detergent which contains no phosphate or harsh chemicals. How to apply: completely wet the stone or monument to be cleaned. A spray bottle or pump-type garden sprayer is recommended to get water in the detail work and lettering. Wet the brush to be used and pour a small amount of Orvis shampoo onto the bristles. Note, the paste is very thick and a little goes a long way. Starting at the top of the headstone or monument, begin scrubbing in a small circular pattern to get a lather worked up. Take your time and be sure to try and hit the entire stone. Rinse frequently so you can see the results in any spots you may have missed. You may have to use more than one brush depending on the detailing. Soft bristle toothbrushes work great for small areas. Once you have cleaned the stone all the way to its base, rinse thoroughly with plenty of water. Allow the stone to dry and gauge results. Heavy stained or soiled monuments may require a second cleaning with Orvis. What not to clean with. Stone is porous. Household detergents, bleach, tub and tile cleaners or products which claim fast results are not suitable for the long-term cleaning and preservation of cemetery monuments. Streaking, pitting, flaking, or other damage to the stone could result from the use of harsh chemicals. Step 5. Deep cleaning with D2. D2 is the only recommended long-term cleaning solution and biological inhibitor. It contains no harsh chemicals and is bio-friendly. D2 actually works inside the stone to improve the appearance over time and prevent future biological growth. How to apply. Completely wet the headstone. Spray the entire surface with D2 using a spray bottle. Wait 15 to 20 minutes to allow D2 to work into the stone. Note, if you notice a marked difference or discoloration, this is the D2 reacting with the biological growth. Wet the stone again if necessary. Begin scrubbing at the top of the stone using a circular motion. You should start seeing a lather begin to develop. Continue scrubbing as you work your way down the monument. Rinse frequently. Change brushes as necessary to get in the cracks and crevices. Once you have finished, recheck for any touch-ups which may be required. Final rinse to ensure no residue remains. You may not see a remarkable difference once you have finished. D2 makes the stone improve over time, sometimes months depending on the density or hardness of the stone. Here is the Bedford headstone that we have left untouched for comparison. The second stone is the one that we cleaned for the purpose of this video, recorded 2 weeks after cleaning for comparison over time. The final headstone is the one that was cleaned 4 months prior, showing remarkable improvement.